Imagine your phone is like a messy room. Over time, it gets cluttered with apps, files, and settings. This can make your phone slow, glitchy, or even freeze completely. A hard reset is like cleaning your room from top to bottom. It erases everything and gives your phone a fresh start. Think of it like hitting the reset button on a game. You start over, but your phone will run smoother and faster. Before you reset your phone, it's super important to back up your data. Imagine losing all your photos, contacts, and messages. You can back up your phone to your Google account. This saves your data in the cloud. Go to Settings and look for Backup and Reset or System. Then follow the instructions to back up your phone. Every Android phone is a little different. The reset button might be in a different place. Look for a small button or a tiny hole. It might be on the side, top, or bottom of your phone. You might need a paperclip or a SIM card tool to press the button. Section 4. The Hard Reset, a step-by-step guide. In this section, we will walk you through the detailed process of performing a hard reset on your Android smartphone. This can be useful if your phone is experiencing issues or if you want to start fresh. First, turn off your phone completely. Make sure it is powered down and not just in sleep mode. This is crucial for the next steps to work properly. Next, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. This combination is essential to access the recovery mode on most Android devices. Keep holding the buttons until you see a menu on the screen. This menu is the recovery mode, which allows you to perform various maintenance tasks on your phone. Use the volume buttons to navigate the menu and select recovery mode. The volume buttons act as up and down keys to scroll through the options. Press the power button to choose recovery mode. This will take you to another menu where you can perform the hard reset. Now, you'll see another menu. This is the recovery menu where you can wipe data and perform a factory reset. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset using the volume buttons and press the power button to confirm. This action will erase all data on your phone, so make sure you have backed up any important information. Your phone will start the reset process. This might take a few minutes. During this time, do not turn off your phone or remove the battery. Once it's finished, select Reboot System now to restart your phone. Your device will reboot and start fresh, just like it was when you first bought it. This completes the hard reset process. Section 5. Proceed with caution, risks, and how to avoid them. A hard reset is generally safe, but there are a few things to keep in mind. It's important to understand that while a hard reset can solve many issues, it also comes with its own set of risks. Make sure your phone is charged or plugged in. A fully charged battery ensures that the reset process won't be interrupted. If your phone dies during the reset, it could cause problems. This could lead to software corruption or even render your phone unusable. Double-check that you've backed up your data. Losing important files, photos, and contacts can be frustrating and sometimes irreversible. Once you reset your phone, there's no going back. All your personal data will be erased, and the phone will return to its original factory settings. If you're unsure about any of the steps, it's best to consult your phone's manual or contact your carrier for assistance. They can provide guidance and ensure you don't make any mistakes during the process. Taking these precautions can help you avoid potential pitfalls and ensure a smooth reset process. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Section 6. Your phone refreshed. Tips for a smooth experience. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your Android phone. This is a great step towards ensuring your device runs smoothly and efficiently. When your phone restarts, it will be like a brand new phone. You'll notice it runs faster and more efficiently. You'll need to sign into your Google account and reinstall your apps. This might take a little time, but it's worth it for a fresh start. To keep your phone running smoothly, make sure to install updates regularly. These updates often include important security patches and performance improvements. And avoid downloading apps from untrusted sources. These can harm your phone and compromise your personal data. And remember, a little digital cleaning every now and then goes a long way. Regularly delete unused apps and files to keep your phone clutter-free and running at its best.